just like Mom. Emily, let's put you in this little stroller.
Let's play! Blue and yellow.
Well, okay, I will leave you two, and I will go do some laundry. Okay, it's time to do some laundry. We are separating the clothes by colors. The dark colors go in this pile. The light colors go in this pile. And this, it is a very dark color and it loses color when we put it in washing machine. So I'm going to hand wash it. Okay, let's set the temperature to 50. Let's put some detergent. And start. Now we wait for 20 minutes. Okay, now while we wait, let's wash this. Now, let's put some detergent in it. Dunk it and scrub it really hard. And let's see if it is all clear. Looks clean to me. And now let's give it a real tight squeeze. And let's dry it. Oh, seems like it's ready. Now it's time for the clothes to dry. Now, after we dry those clothes, it's time for us to iron. Kids, remember to be very careful with iron. Do not touch it because it could be very hot. Now the first batch is done. Let's do the darker colors. While those are washing, let's iron these out. And the other side. Let's fold it. And done. Well, let's go check out what Emily and girlfriend are doing.
Finally, I made a tower. Aww, Emily. Emily, that was my tower. Why did you do that? Oh, girlfriend, I'm sorry. I thought it would be funny.
Well, is everything okay here?
Yeah, it is. But I built an awesome tower and Emily crashed it. Girlfriend, I already told you sorry. No need to snitch on me. Oh, well, I'm sorry. I thought it was funny.
Come on, girls. you're better than this. Friends have to stick with each other. Girls, are you friends now?
Yeah, I love you, Emily. I love you too, girlfriend.
Well, that was good. We will go out for some lunch, some friendship lunch. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!